Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the Geek Benchmark test in the Realme GT Neo 3T device after the day 1 of unboxing. Yes friends, right now I did do the unboxing video of the Realme GT Neo 3T and we just got the Snapdragon 870 processor as well in this device. And let's see friends what will be the overall Geek Benchmark 5 scores in this device after a quick unboxing. That's what this video is about, where I'll try to show you the scores. So this test can be done in two different methods. So first without using any GT mode and with using GT mode. So right now I'm going to do the Geek Benchmark test without using any kind of GT mode. So without any GT mode, let's find out what will be the overall single core and the multi-core performance in the Realme GT Neo 3T. So let's get started friends. So right now as you can see, this is the benchmark scores which we got in the Realme GT Neo 3T device, single core and the multi-core performance you can see after a quick unboxing. So definitely friends, the single core is pretty good, but the multi-core is not that higher we're getting in this device, 2607 as you can see. So usually in the Snapdragon 870 we'll be getting around 3000, that's the usual score, but slightly kind of low without using any GT mode. That's what I did do the testing. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and bye.